In this video, we will look into partitioning by method of collectors. So collectors.partitioningBy is used to partition a stream of objects based on a given predicate. There are two methods. First one takes a predicate and it returns a map of Boolean and list. And the second one takes a predicate and a downstream and it returns a map and a list. Now let's implement this in IntelliJ. So let's create a new class, and the class is partitioning by example, and create public static void main. So the partition which we'll create is partition instructors in two groups of instructors. First is greater than years of experience is greater than 10 and other is less than equal to 10. So let's create our predicate first. So predicate is of type instructor and let's call it a experience predicate. And this predicate is instructor and instructor dot get years of experience is greater than 10. Let's move it to the next line. Now partition will return us Boolean and list of instructor. So call it a partition map and instructors dot get all and then dot stream dot collect, and here inside the collectors dot partitioning by and the predicate which we already have defined, experience predicate. So now let's look into the definition of partitioning by. So returns a collector which partitions the input elements according to a predicate and organizes them into map, boolean and list. There is no getaway from providing the map, boolean, list. We can override this, and that is in the second overloaded method which we'll look into, where we can override the collection. So in this case we can override the downstream in the second method, where you can provide the predicate and the downstream where you want to collect the items. So now let's implement the second method. Let's print it out first. So partition map dot for each and key and value and print out. Let's value is let's value. And also print a separator. Now let's implement the same partition, but return is set instead of list. So predicate we already have defined. So it's a map of Boolean and set of instructor and this is partition set is equal to instructor dot get all dot stream dot collect and collectors dot partitioning by, and experience predicate is the first argument, and the second argument is collectors dot toSet. Now let's print out the partition set. Dot for each and key and value plus value plus value. Now let's run this program. So you can see that it printed out where years of experience is less than or equal to 10, false, and where the years of experience is greater than 10 is true. So years of experience less than 10 or less than and equal to 10, we have Mike with years of experience 10, and the second one is Johnny with years of experience is 5, and third one is Jean with years of experience 6. And with true, where years of experience is greater than 10, we have Anthony, and the second one is Syed. And also the second one is same. The only thing is that it is returning a set, so if there is any duplicate, then it will take away the duplicates. So that's all for the partitioning by.